Hello everyone, hello guys. Welcome to my farm, CEO Thiyada นะคะ We are making the grape farm. So I'm gonna show you this farm we bought last year. Until now, it will be 1 year and 2 months already. So okay, let's go to see my farm. Okay, we're gonna go. My English is not very good, but I can speak English. However, this is my grape, and this is the water system. You see, this is how we do about the farm, grape farm, and we also have longan farm. This land is longan farm, and it's quite long to get the longan fruit. So we want to earn money for survive. So we start a grape farm now. I think it's very different from Europe. I have been to Holland and Norway for 3 years. So yeah, I have experience there about farming a bit. So here it is. My farm is so nice, I think. Because before I didn't do the farm, when I come back to Thailand, we start the farm, and it's so it's new experience for us. And my husband, he have skill about grape farm, so we did the grape farm now, and many people follow us to do the same. So that's very great. And here is longan farm. It's in the back of grape farm. Look at this. You see? We have around 145 longan trees. I'm gonna show you a longan baby, small one. Looks so cute. Wow, amazing. I love my farm, longan farm. And how about this one? They are coming. Look at you. Look at me. Wow. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe my channel for enjoy more video.